All right, folks, here's the teggy. You know, it doesn't look too bad. First time painting my whole own car, so I mean, what do you guys think? It looks better than before, I'll say that. A couple little runs here and there, a couple little spots that I missed, but I mean, I'm not too worried about the front bumper. It looks good from far away. Got the lip on there to cover up the bumper. Oh yeah, you can see all that repair stuff. It does go through, like, show through the paint, but from far it doesn't look too bad. Honestly, I'm pretty happy I did it. There's a couple little oversprays, but that's easy to come off. I mean, I'm gonna repaint the window trim and everything black anyways, and all I need is just some lacquer thinners, get some overspray off. Not too worried about it, although the sunroof does have a little bit of, the cardboard didn't really work as much as I thought it would. I mean, I didn't think it was anyways. Here's how she looks. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's bad, but you know. So yeah, I'm starting to make more videos again, and yeah, I've been doing a lot better in life. You know, life got me down a couple of times. So yeah, quick little story. I almost got a new car. I almost got a Subaru. I didn't know if I wanted to do payments yet, especially for how much they wanted. But this is new. So yeah, it's first look. I'm not really gonna make it too much of a video. I'm planning on doing some more content. And quick little summary. The reason why I haven't been making videos, you know, I've been drinking a lot, smoking a lot, but now I just drink a little bit here and there, just keeping it easy. What do you guys think though? Looks all right. Nah, it's okay. I definitely could have made it a little bit better, but I didn't really take the time to do it. I just want to just paint it. Yeah. But slowly, if I, you know, just button up a couple things, order some parts, but yeah, this thing still has a long ways to go. It's slowly following the step of the Supra. Yeah, I actually can't wait. I'm more about function kind of guy. So looks, I do care a little bit. I mean, compared to what it looked back then, it looked really bad back then. Because there was just scratches everywhere. It was like dents and stuff. But at least all the scratches and stuff are gone now. So now it's just straight up orange. I should have laid down some more paint. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, I painted this thing when I was drinking, so definitely cleaning the headlights a little bit better. Just make it pop a little bit more. Oh, already got some bugs on there. Oh, already scratched my clear coat. Oh well, whatever. Life happens, you know. It's not perfect, but at least it looks better. I already updated the title for this thing, so I'm all set. Now I'm gonna put the insurance back onto the tag, because don't get me wrong, I love driving a Supra, but in traffic, I think it hates traffic, man. Like, I need some room to like go fast, you know. A couple more little vein spots. Doesn't really bother me that much. It looks better than before. So now that tag's running, I'm gotta start working on Blue Supra. There's like a boost leak somewhere with that thing. I don't know. See, working on Blue Supra brings back all the stock things that I've had with it, and man. But yeah, I mean, at least she's running now. So now I just gotta mess with the Blue Supra a little bit more. Well, this is gonna be it for the video. I'm not really trying to make it too long. I was really just trying, or was just gonna show you the tag. So, but yeah, this is what she looks like. My little daily gas saver. You see, I get some snow tires or some new tires for the back, or actually new tires for the other meshies and the Mini Cooper wheel, because the tires are pretty shot. Alright folks, this is it. This is just pretty much just showing you the guys the tag, all you fellers. So what do you think? Let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed. More content coming out soon. Peace.